Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add Amazon gift card to your Amazon account. So let's get into the video. So open up Amazon and log into your Amazon account. So once you've logged into your account here, so what we're going to do, you can go and hit on your menu tab here and then go to Amazon Pay. Click on Amazon Pay, and then now what we can do, we're going to go and select gift cards. Okay, so you select gift cards, and when you get to gift card here, so what you're going to do, you're going to choose this add a gift card option. Simply click on it, and then once you click on it, so all you have to do now is simply type in the gift card code here and then add it to your balance. So now this balance, your gift card balance will be added to your Amazon account balance. So from there you can use this balance for any purchases through Amazon. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.